My guest, Mr. Saifur Rahman, CEO, V4U Group of Companies. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you very much.
My first question is this, sir. B4U company and B4U group and your introduction.
Okay, first of all, I introduce myself and then I introduce about B4U. My name is Saifur Rahman Khan. I born at Miyawali, 5 November 1968. And last more than 25 years, I'm doing traveling and doing international business, Middle East country, European country, African country. And now we based in Malaysia. And we are running B4U group of companies. B4U actually, since 2017, we introduced one company that called Bitcoin4U.my. Why we call B4U? Actually, I wish to give people, each people have Bitcoin, because people before they don't know about the crypto. And the 2017 when the Bitcoin boom and the prediction is the Bitcoin reach about 10,000 and it's reached 20,000. Then people know about the crypto and they realize the Bitcoin is a real, Bitcoin is a genuine. Some platform is not genuine. So we wish to give each person Bitcoin. That's why we registered our company and first our website bitcoin4u.my, bitcoin4u.pk and bitcoin4u.it. And in that company we learn so many things and we know about more crypto and the related things. Then we do the different companies. Almost we have more than 10 companies. We are dealing in crypto, we are dealing in exchange, we have our own e-wallet, we have our own ATM machine. So this become a group. And same thing, we bring some different companies in Pakistan because Pakistan is not regulated about the Bitcoin. Pakistan government not allowed to do the digital businesses. So we more focus here about the physical business. So our first physical business is in Pakistan is the Bravo Cab Service. Second, our physical business is Future Property. Third, our physical business is Revolt Motorcycle. Fourth, our physical business is Alpha Advertisement. Fifth, we are under process about the Marias Leasing Company. And sixth is Microfinance Bank. That is our big chance to bring good opportunity for the Pakistani people. So that's why we call B4U group of companies.
Why new product-based company in Pakistan?
Why we bring new company in Pakistan? Actually, we are doing business in Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Spain, Azerbaijan, Japan. Each country have different rules regulation. What's our motive? Our motive is we are not website. Some companies they are doing business only on website. We are doing businesses physically. I, as a owner, as a CEO, as a founder, I introduce myself. I'm in public. I'm in easy to accessible. Why we are easy to accessible? We don't want people cheat them because the scammer companies their directions is Asian countries. Why they come to Asian countries? Because our Asian country, the people's education rate is very low. They don't have basic knowledge. They don't have basic awareness, and people come and they give them hope. You can do this one. You can get that one, and that is only hope. They don't get anything, and they make them cheat them. They scam them, and then they will lose their dignity. They lost their respect. They lost their money. So we bring here new physical business. Why we introduce this company? We introduced new company in Pakistan because Pakistani government not allowed to do the crypto. Pakistani government not allowed to collect cash from anyone. But I will explain you all my viewers, all my users. Those are since with us 2017, all over the world. At the current position, we have 10 countries, our own setup. Own setup means our company offices, not people offices. Why we say our own company offices? Because we want to follow that country rules regulation. What we do when we have more than 1,000 users, we go there, that country, we registered our company, we open bank accounts, we collect cash or digital currency and we give them profit to them in their currency. We are basically ROI company, return on investment. You can say we can give the dividend, we can say we give them the profit. And in Pakistan, due to the government rules regulation, we are not allowed to do any kind of activities. So we introduce one company that called product-based company. That is a direct selling association requirement, that is government requirement. And we are giving, for example, like we have 6 packages, $50. If you invest $50, we can give you some website. If you invest $700, we can give you some insurance. If you give us 3,000 US dollar, we give you some other languages courses. And if you invest 10,000, 50, 30,000 or above, we are giving you the property. So why we introduce this company? Because this is physical business. If physical business and product-based company, in that kind of company, MLM company, if you give money, you get the product, the deal is closed. Mean you give